Hello everyone, so today I'm going to make my own version of back ribs in adobo style. So I have here the marinated back ribs marinated with soy sauce and vinegar. I have marinated this one for an hour already, but the best thing is should be overnight. And also I have here the bay leaves, the minced onion, and the dried mushroom, and of course I have my soy sauce for my sauce letter, and the vinegar and sugar. So I have to do my own version. So first thing, I have to put it in the oven. First, you spray this one with oil to not to stick your fork on the pan. So, and then put your ribs, the marinated ribs, in the pan, and then put it in the oven. The oven is preheated to 400 degrees. You can do it like 350 or 400. So put it in the oven, in the preheated oven, until it gets light brown or medium cook. So while waiting for the ribs to be ready, you can mix your saved juice from the marinated pork, and then mix all your ingredients, the soy sauce, so guys, this is my own version of adobo. Then next one is the vinegar, and okay, you add your mushroom. You can just mix all together, and then your bay leaves. Then put your sugar. Then try to test it in your desired test. I think I need to add water. So I add a little bit of water. So add some black pepper. The seasoning, it has like salt, paprika, sugar, garlic, black pepper. So I'm using this seasoning. It's all in one seasoning. Also, I'm using this seasoning, guys. I'm putting a little bit. This is the mixture of all those ingredients, and then try it on your desired taste. Later, when the pork is ready, I'm going to cook it in a slow cooker. So the top side is slightly brown, so you have to reverse it to cook the other side.
Alright.
put it back in the oven until light brown. Alright guys, so our pork ribs is now ready. The next step would be, I'll be cooking it in the slow cooker. So, should be good. Put it in the slow cooker. The slow cooker is already preheated to level 1. So it's a little bit hot already. And then so don't waste the juice. You can put it, you can use it also as your sauce. So put back the juice on the pork. That's it. The next is put your mixed sauces and other ingredients. Just put it all over, don't mix it. That's it guys. So cover it. Then put it in your slow cooker. This time I'll set it to level 2 because I'm hungry. And then wait till it's cooked or tender and it will be ready to serve. Wait until 45 minutes to 1 hour. So let's check this one out. Okay, I think it's cooked or almost cooked, so we'll try to mix. It smells yummy. Hi guys, it's Ronnie Wanderlust here, at kung nagustuhan nyo ang aking cooking video, huwag pong kalimutang i-like at mag-comment sa baba. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet to my video, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell below to get updated of my new videos. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye!